Hello, friends. I'm the letter D. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to find words that start with D. Let's go. This is a dog. Dogs are friendly animals that love to play, run, and be with people. They're our best friends. This is a door. We use doors to go in and out of rooms or houses. Some doors are big, some are small, and they all can open and close. This is a desk. We use it to write, draw, or use a computer. A desk helps us keep things tidy and makes learning easier. This is a dish. We put food on it when we eat. Dishes can be round, colorful, and made of glass, metal, or plastic. This is a dress. People wear dresses for parties, school, or just for fun. They come in many colors, patterns, and styles. This is a duck. Ducks love to swim in ponds and make a funny quacking sound. They have soft feathers and cute little feet. This is darts. It's a fun game where you throw small darts at a round board. You need focus and good aim to hit the center. This is a doll. Kids love to play with dolls, dress them up, and take care of them. Dolls can look like people, animals, or even fairies. This is a drink. We drink water, juice, or milk to stay healthy and fresh. Drinks can be cold or warm and always make us feel good. This is a device. Devices help us do many things, like listen to music, watch videos, or play games. They make life easier and fun. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are smart and friendly animals that love to swim and jump in the sea. They make happy sounds and play a lot. This is a domino. Dominoes are small tiles with dots. You can play fun games with them, line them up, or knock them down. This is a dinosaur. Dinosaurs were huge animals that lived a long time ago. Some were very big, some were small, and they walked, ran, and roared. Now, to finish our adventure, I'm going to show you a special dance. Let's dance, move our bodies, and have lots of fun together. Clap, clap, clap. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Clap, clap, clap. Stamp, stamp, stamp.